Hello everybody, we're going to look at this 2005 Chevrolet Kodiak C4500 utility bed truck with a bucket. Got your nice hitch system there. 300-pound weight rated bucket. Is a Duralift. Plenty of storage space, cargo space there. This truck has about 124,000 miles on it. It does have the 6.6 liter Duramax Diesel. It's a really nice truck all the way around. I'm going to give you a video so you at least have a better look. We're located here in Corbin, Kentucky, right off of I-75. I'm going to open up and let you look inside, get a peek. Nice clean interior. Seats look fantastic. You've got your Cat 5 cable there if you want to hook your laptop up, that kind of thing. Just really nice. It does have the cold AC and heat. AM, FM radio, cruise control. Just a super nice unit. If you'd like more information, give myself a call, 606-309-4313. Thanks and have a great day.